Hi, my name is Renee. I'm an appliance repair tech, and this person wants to know, why is the water in the dishwasher video that this person tagged me in the comment on brown? That would be because that's not just the water. That video shows the very beginning of the dishwasher cycle, which is usually called a pre-wash. The purpose of a pre-wash cycle is to pre-wash your dishes, which is why you don't have to do that in the first place. It literally does it for you. The pre-wash cycle happens before the main wash cycle, and the intention of it is just to knock any additional food off of your dishes. That way, during the main wash, it's easier for the detergent to do the rest of the work. So yes, during the pre-wash cycle, the water mixes with all of the food and everything, and it turns a very unpleasant color. There's a reason why dishwashers don't normally come with a clear door. But the important thing to know is that between the pre-wash and the main wash, the dishwasher drains all of that brown gross water out. And after it drains, it's going to refill with some more water and start the main wash. Depending on how dirty your dishes are and what cycle you select, it's going to fill and drain probably 2 to 3 more times. And yet, high-efficiency dishwashers still use less than 4 gallons of water per cycle. But this is why it's important to scrape, not rinse, everything off of your dishes before you put them in the dishwasher. You don't want to have so much food on your dishes that the water is just sludge, especially because anything the size of a grain of rice or larger can actually clog the spray arms, which will prevent your dishwasher from washing properly. But you also don't want to clean your dishes before you clean your dishes, because the amount of times that your dishwasher refills and then drains again in most cycles is based on the readings from your dishwasher's turbidity sensor. Turbidity is basically the cloudiness of your water, so if you have too much food on your dishes, it's going to take a long time for everything to get clean, and if you don't have enough on your dishes, the turbidity sensor is going to think that everything is clean, and the cycle might not run for long enough for things to properly get cleaned. But yeah, seeing cloudy brown water in a running dishwasher full of dirty dishes is totally normal.